Hi, guys. All right. Today we're going to be talking about the BOIR, guys. And we're going to be talking about how to apply for it. The deadline is today. So it's super important that you actually file it. And so today I'm just going to go over the application so that you can see it live and get it done. So, guys, this is, let me share my screen. Present, share screen. The application. But before we get started, I'm going to go back over beneficial ownership deadline. Okay. Right. So, guys, the deadline to file this is today, right? So we really need to get this done. So I'm going to go to the page and we're going to talk about the beneficial ownership information. What is the beneficial ownership information? They need to identify individuals and corporations. Who can access the information? They tell you that. Should my company report? Okay, so a reporting company created or registered to do business before January 1st, 2024 will have until January 1st, 2025. Guys, this deadline was updated to today. It is due today. So now, if a reporting company created or registered in 2024 has 90 calendar days after they filed to actually do this. And then so basically you just have to know when to report. I'm going to skip down, guys, and this is how you file it, but I want to skip down and kind of go to who are some companies exempt from reporting in this requirement. So yes, there are 23 types of entities that are exempt from forming the beneficial ownership requirements. Those are going to be securities reporting issuers, governmental authorities, banks, credit unions, money service businesses, securities exchange clearing agency, other exchange act, investment company or investment advisor, venture capital fund, insurance company, state licensed insurance producer, Commodity Exchange Act, Register Act, accounting firms, public utilities, financial market utilities, pooled investment vehicles, tax exempt entities. So if you are tax exempt, you don't have to, like if you have a why does this say pre-recorded, guys? It's still saying pre-recorded up there, but I'm actually live right now. All right, let me see if I can rename myself, edit name um right now. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. So entity assisting tax exempt, large operating company, subsidiary or certain exempt entities and inactive entities. Those, so like let's say you had a company that was old and then you ended up, not using it. You don't have to register that one. Are certain corporate entities such as statutory trusts, business trusts, or foundations reporting companies? It depends. So, if it's a trust created in the United States that requires such filing, then a reporting company, unless an exempt, then it is a reporting company unless there is an exemption that you have, and you got to just look at the rules of exemption. Guys, so let's see here. Is a sole proprietorship a reporting company? Wow, guys, no. Unless a sole proprietorship was recreated or if a foreign sole proprietorship is registered to do business in the United States by filing the document. So if you're a sole proprietor, you just like an assumed name or something, you don't have to file. You're not a reporting company. So that's good. Can a company created or registered in the U.S. territory be considered a reporting company? Yes, 50 states. Do the BOI reporting requirements apply to S corps? Yes. A corporation treated as a pass through under subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code, that qualifies as a reporting company. That is created to register to do business by filing a document with the Secretary of State and does not qualify for any exemptions. So basically, you have to, if you have an S corp, you have to file. Is a domestic corporation or limited liability company is not created by filing a document with the Secretary of State, isn't a reporting company. So no. The qualification here is that you must have filed it with your Secretary of State. So no, while FinCEN's BOI reporting regulations define a domestic reporting company as including corporation or limited liability company, the inclusion of those entities is based on understanding that domestic corporations and LLCs are generally created by filing a document with your Secretary of State or similar office. In an unusual circumstance where a domestic corporation or limited liability is created, but not by filing the document with the Secretary of State, such entity is not a reporting company. So that is that right there. All right, they got some other things here. Guys, today is the deadline, so you want to just get in here and do it. So let's get into it. The first thing that I do is I'm going to go to my state and filing. And guys, if you're like me and you open up a bunch of companies, you might want to just go in and look up your name. And then it will pop up all of the companies that are associated with your name. So I got that. Oh wow, I forgot to do this one, so maybe I will do this one here. My name is I'm a let's see, I'm a secretary on Global Women Power Nationally Fund. Okay, I must be a secretary on that. Okay, Fly Finance. So a lot of companies that I forgot that I even had are on there. So then you can go in there and then you're going to go in and check it out. It might be old and it might not even be still, on there. I'm pretty sure this is definitely not, it's probably not in good standing, which I saw that there. So it's a bunch of old companies on here that I had that are not that I won't be filing for. So you can go in and check, guys. Check what companies that you have, and then you can go in, and once you do that, you're going to go to BOIR filing. Then you're going to go to get started. Then you're going to go to BOI filing. Oops, get started. And it's taking a minute here. Why is it taking so long to get to the one that I want? Okay. All right. So here is the page that it pops up. And guys, it's super easy. You're going to say initial filing. You're going to go to next. Then you're going to go back and find one of the companies that you think you're going to go ahead and register. Let me see. I don't even know if I'm going to be using these ones, but nope, don't want to register that one. Okay, I'm going to go back here. Go back and find my name again. And then I'm just going to go to, this is one. Yeah, this one right here. All right. I don't even know what my tax ID number is, but I'm going to just go through and figure that out. All right. So you're going to copy and paste the name there. Then you're going to go in and type in your tax ID number. And I'm going to put, you know, all of that. Then you're going to put in the address. Then you're going to say that you're reporting for an existing organization because this organization existed before January 1st of 2024. Then you're going to put in your current address. And then you got to put in your driver's license. You got to upload your driver's license from your computer or wherever you got. Then you're going to type in your name, your social security number, all of that. You got to put that. Oops, no, this is where you put your driver's license. The other one is where you put your articles of organization. So your articles of organization for that organization. This one, you put your name, your driver's license on there. You're going to upload it from your computer. And then, guys, you're going to submit your BOI form. So it is done. Today is the deadline. So you gotta do it today if you haven't done it. So let's redo the steps. You're gonna go to your state. You're gonna go to your state. You're gonna type in your name to see what companies you have. If you got a bunch of companies, you got to register. Or if you only got one company, I start up a lot of companies, so I got a lot. So then you click on, and then you're like, oh man, I forgot I had that company. Go over there, get the name of it. Then you're going to go to get started filing your BSA. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes to actually do this BOI filing. People been charging people like, money for this. This stuff is free, guys. Then you're going to get over here to this spot. You're going to press initial filing right here, right? Then you're going to go to next. Then you're going to type in the name of the business or copy it, from the place, right? You can request to receive a FinCEN ID, which I would suggest because now you have it. You're going to put in your tax ID number for that business, type it in there. You're going to put your business address. Then you're going to go to next. Then you're going to go to the next spot, which is the current address of your business, all of that good stuff. And you're going to type in, you're going to upload your articles of incorporation or organization here. Then you're going to go to the business owner official site. Then you're going to type in your name, your address, your driver's license, and you're going to upload your driver's license right there. Then you're going to click on the email that you're going to use, certify, and you're going to hit the submit BOI button. That is it. It takes 5 minutes to file your BOIR, guys. But remember, if you do not file it for your companies today, let's go back and look at the penalty. There's penalties, right? So the government is putting in a $500 a day penalty for not filing this form. So they are not playing. This is the United States government, guys, and it actually was due on January 1st, but they extended it to today. So go ahead and finish your BOIR today. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. If you guys want to join me live for a New Year kickoff at my office, it's going to be January 27th. I did put the link for you to register. We are also going to be streaming that event. All right, guys, see you later.